Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you this high ace van that they have modified, converted into hydraulic working station. So they made it all compact here, with all these crates, different sizes of fittings, elbow straight, and the sleeves, and all the dies are here. Now let me show you their machine. So this is a starter motor, okay, a 12-volt starter motor, where they converted it into the cutter, hydraulic hose cutter. So it is powered by a battery connected to the alternator. So when the alternator start and the motor start, or the engine start, the vehicle engine start, the alternator will charge this battery, and accordingly you can use the cutter to cut your hydraulic hoses using this modified starter motor connected to a shaft into the blade, or the saw blade. And here we have this 12-volt crimper, hydraulic crimper. So it has this hydraulic pump inside with a solenoid, also powered by a 12-volt battery. So it is very handy and easy. You can cut easily the pipe, you can crimp it easily, changing the die and all the hoses. So this machine is very simple and it do the work. This is a good business. If you have an old van, just buy some of these hoses and the fittings, and with this type of equipment you can easily attach it in your vehicle and do side hydraulic hose repair. So hydraulic is a very lucrative industry. Has so many application, like for the heavy equipments and all the industrial application. And furthermore, you can also do pneumatic hose and AC hose. So the AC refrigeration, or automotive vehicle, car AC hose, you can easily do crimping and repair. If you add also a bracing, if you have a bracing torch machine, you know, any leakage from the evaporator, condenser, heat exchanger, you can do that part as well. So seeing here, we have this radiator and the heat exchanger, where they also repair. Again, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Let me know if there is anything that you want me to present to you. Who knows, maybe your request can be done. Again, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. God bless.